So already. Oh, that's big. That's a big Jewy. All right, so there we have it. Ginger beer battered jewfish. Rightio. Episode 7, we're down here, Jewy hole again. So sort of the same idea as episode 6. We're gonna come down here. We've got a run out tide, which stops running out around 7:30. And then after that, we're gonna get the incoming, and then we'll probably leave around 11:30, depending on how things go. Alright, so we've got a bit of a shit tide, sort of just run out at the moment, but shouldn't affect it too much. There still should be fish sitting down there. Bit of scent on that, and yeah, we'll head down over here and we'll flick this from the other side. Hopefully we can get straight into the action. We're running 16-pound leader. We're gonna run semi-tight drag simply because I don't wanna risk losing fish tonight. So already? What the f***? Oh, that's big. That's a big Jewy. That's a big Jewy.
Yeah. Keep that tip up, mate. Don't lower the tip.
That's a big Jewy. Oh, that's a big Jewy. That's a big Jewy.
Okay, buddy, wait a minute, I'll come around here.
Oh, it's legal. I think it's legal on the first cast of the night.
Okay, mate, walking around this lap.
Yep. It ate it on the drop.
Just pay attention to the fish.
Yep. Holy shit.
That thing's massive.
Mate, I flipped the bail. I literally flipped the bail, felt it. I didn't even feel it hit. It must have hit it on the drop.
What bait did you have?
Lure. Yeah, it literally hit a f***ing lure on the drop. Holy shit. And I'm filming too for the YouTube. Holy shit. That's illegally. That's coming in. Get the box freezer ready, boys. We're eating good tonight. Holy shit. That's a big Jewy. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yeah, he's just went for another run, but he's all good. I've got him up here.
I'll take the rod. You get around to that ladder.
Yep. Whoa! First cast of the bloody night on the tide. It ate it on the drop. We've done it, boys. We've got the fish we're after. Holy. Yeah, I just want to get my measurement out. How big do you reckon? 80? Oh, he'd be legal.
Say about 75, 77.
That's I've never seen one big.
Me neither.
Really?
Yeah.
But I've done it. Dad.
80, holy
Dad.
Oh, I reckon about
Oh, 79. I didn't even wind the lure. It must have literally ate it on the drop. But he watched me. I'll literally.
Yeah, see, I didn't even walk past you before it flashed on. I was worried you were going to have a panic attack and let it then snap your line.
Nah.
Dropping your tip down and I'm waiting for it to just go whack.
PB Jewy. Set eyes. He'll say 79. I just push the lure out so I can shove it back in. Yeah. Yeah. Are my fingers tucked under there?
Do you want to give it a pat?
Yeah, give him a pat. He's coming home. 80 centimetre Jew. Puppy. Here we go. Two very, very nice Jewy fillets. So 79 centimetre soapy. Got some nice meat on it. So get the ice on it and we'll get it home ASAP. Alright, so we filleted and we've processed the jewfish. So we didn't do the best filleting job, I'll say that. This was all the meat that we got off of it, so nothing crazy considering the piss poor knife that I had to fill it with. I didn't do too bad. But catch and cook means we've got to cook it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it. So the recipe that I'm doing, I'm going to be doing a Bundaberg ginger beer beer batter without the beer. So we've got our oil heating up over there as well. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it. So the first step before we just dunk it into the batter is you've got to get it dry in the flour first. So just some plain flour, and then also like to give it a bit of seasoning. So I'm going to go in with some white pepper. White pepper is such a good seasoning, a lot more browned down than the black pepper, so put a bit of that in, it just gives it a bit of nice flavour. We'll also go in with a bit of garlic powder. Too much. And then we'll also hit it with some garlic salt, so shake around. And then baking powder, so give that a shake around. And I'll take you guys on to the batter side of things. So I'll put this one here. So the batter, pretty much, I like to have mine reasonably thin. I don't like a very thick batter when I'm battering fish. So I'm gonna get a bit of flour in there. Yeah, about that'll do. And then same spices. So we're gonna go in with the white pepper, bake around, bit of garlic powder, garlic salt, and baking powder. When I'm cooking with a beer batter, I like to use chopsticks. Oh, you dog. Whew, brutal. Oh, this is absolutely horrific. There we go. So, pretty much. Keep mixing it in between the pores with those chopsticks. To get a nice crispy batter, keeps the batter cold. So that when the cold batter's hitting hot oil that's over there. In terms of size, I want them about palm size. So palm size is pretty good, especially with jewfish. I haven't cooked any before, so you're probably thinking, all right, you're talking out of your ass. But I did ChatGPT it, and ChatGPT said palm size pieces, because as soon as jewfish is overcooked, it goes really, really dry. So we don't want to have big pieces and then overcooking the outside just to cook the inside. So that's our flour dredge piece. Do a few more. First piece is looking pretty good now, so third one's looking pretty good. These ones are almost done, so I'm going to drain off. Last two pieces done. Alright, there we have it. Ginger beer battered jewfish. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to serve it up. Only thing that I have to do, hit it with a bit of lemon. Alright, taste test. That's bloody awesome. I'll give that a 10. That's pretty bloody good. And that's as fresh as it gets. Caught that one yesterday and straight to the table within 24 hours. So absolutely beautiful. Alright, legends, that's going to wrap it up for episode 7. We finally got it done. We finally got the legal Dewey that I was after. 3 or 4 years it took me to finally crack one, and we finally did it. And what a better way to end the video than to cook up a nice big feed of ginger beer battered jewfish tonight. So that was absolutely beautiful. I just want to thank you guys for the support the last few months, especially the last few videos have done pretty well. So as always, if you want to see more, like and subscribe, a few buttons. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and catch you in the next one.
They were just hanging around. Yeah, gotta lay down when you make bed. Gotta let some tears just shed. Since we blew up and got green, I gotta leave some of y'all on red. Yeah, for a gunshot, man, I dead.